Welcome to this guide. Today you will learn how to add an email to WhatsApp. Adding an email can improve the security of your account and help in recovering your account. Follow these simple steps to complete the process. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smart device and make sure that you are logged into your account. By opening WhatsApp on the home page in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see 3 dots that you will click on. After a small window opens, scroll down to the Settings option and then click on it. By clicking on the Settings option, a new page will open with a drop-down menu where you will look for the Account option and click on it. The application will then open the next page where you will also look for the Email address option in the drop-down menu and then click on it. This is where the magic begins. As you can see by opening a new page, the application will explain what will happen when you add an email. In order to add it, you need to go down to the Add Email option and click on it. Since you already have an email address on your device, the application will open a small window where you can choose an email address from the ones offered. But if you don't, just type it in the empty field and then confirm by clicking on the next option at the bottom of the screen. After the application manages to verify your email, you will see a small window with the text that the email has been verified on this device. All that remains is to click on Continue. And that's it. You have successfully added an email to your WhatsApp account. This will help with security and recovery options in case you need to regain access. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and follow us for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.